Hey guys, and welcome back to another new release video. Today's new release, I have 11 new Tigeros. A few of them are reimagined Tigeros because I just felt like this one, the coffee Tigero needed to be a little spicier, a little more jazzy, a little more fun. So some are new and some are redesigned, but I think you'll like them. Like this coffee one is really cute. You have 3 different ways. You have him peeking around a to-go cup. You have him with a coffee mug, just loving that there's so much whipped cream on it. And then him just holding a cute little coffee cup. Then this one was requested by a couple people, and this is the gamer video game Tigero and Cat. So you get both Tigero and Cat on this. It's great for if you're a gamer girl or gamer boy. This is a reimagined one of the Chef Tigero. It is now the Cooking Tigero, and he has this cute little chef hat on, and he's holding a wooden spoon, so you could use this for cooking or baking, anything like that. I also redid the laundry stickers. Despite laundry being the bane of my existence, Tigero seems pretty happy about it, and I love the bright colors. This one I made for myself because I've been having trouble sleeping. This is the Insomnia Tigero sheet, and as you can see, he is not sleeping well. Then this is another requested one, and it is the cat drinking tea, and she's really just, I think I love the purple so much. I'm also going to be doing different colored patterns, so let me know in the comments what kind of colors you would like to see the teacups. This one is also reimagined, and it is the Sick Tigeros. You have him with a thermometer running a fever, and him holding a box of tissues and sneezing. Here is a mermaid cat, great for if you're going to the beach or something like that, or swimming, just fun in general. A new shopping bag Tigero. Instead of him holding the shopping bag, I thought it'd be cute to have him in the shopping bag. And with that, I also did a fall set. So you get a bunch of bags with leaves on them and then a bunch with pumpkins. You also have coffee cups that are PSLs, or pumpkin spice lattes, and or like just fall drinks. And I made it fun with the whipped cream being an orange color to kind of make it different. And then these aren't Tigeros, but I did draw some candles, and they are fall related. So you have the pumpkin ones and the leaves candles. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. Let me know in the comments down below which ones are your favorite.